Well, I guess I'm up, man. Cause there's nothing else to freaking do. Man. So tired. What? Alright, it's daytime, so I guess it's time for me to get up. What the heck is that? What? It was a doorbell. I got it.
Ooh, I think I heard a door. Yeah, someone here. Ooh, I can that dang on door. What is this?
Hell, mate.
Who the frick are you? My name is Red. Just get out the way. Just get out the way. Go to the door. Yeah, wait. Who the hell are you?
I'm Ripper's brother, and I came to warn him about the pigs.
Okay, mate. Okay, follow me. Cause I know where Ripper is. So yeah, follow me. Come on.
Alright, mate.
Ripper!
Chuck, what was that for? What? How? What was that for?
Okay, so let me tell you something. Okay, so I was in the kitchen. I was gonna give me some Fruit Loops. Cause you know nobody touches my Fruit Loops. And then I was gonna get some Fruit Loops. And then I heard a doorbell. And then I opened the door. And guess who's at the door?
Was it King Pig again? Look, tell that fool he's not getting any of my eggs. Come on, bro. We need those to have our kids.
No. It wasn't King Pig. It was your brother.
My who now? My who now?
Your brother, mate.
Where is he at? Where is he?
Where is he? Follow me, mate, and I'll show you.
Hate that idiot. Where is he, Greenbird?
He's right here.
You! Oh, hiya there, mate. What you doing, mate? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again, mate. Okay, what are you doing here?
Okay, I came here to warn you about the, pigs, man.
The pigs? What the freak does the pig got to do it? They're not here, man. They're gone.
Yeah, but I heard that the pigs are coming.
Now what the hell you talking about, mate? No pigs are alive. We killed them. We killed them already, mate.
No. I'm telling you, the pigs are not dead.
It has to be someone who can go about their
Okay,
business without
and why are you telling me this?
Because what they do is seeming They're not
What a nice place you have here. This is a nice house.
It's the kind of woman
Ripper, what the frick are you watching?
I don't know, that's just random things on TV.
Whatever, but I'm leaving, okay? Wait, no, matter of fact, can I stay here?
Can you what? No. You can't stay here.
Why I can't stay here, mate?
Why the hell everyone keeps saying mate? Look, you dick. That is my word. I don't need you to keep saying mate. Okay, mate?
You shut up, you lone beat freak. Get out of here.
Yeah, alright, can I just stay here, mate? You're not staying here. I swear, you're not staying here, man. I don't want you here. I have a bunch of birds I have to take care of already. And I have to take care of eggs and king pig and all the other weird stuff. I have to keep taking care of them. So no.
Okay, mate. I'm gonna go lay on your couch, mate.
No, no, no! Greenberg!
What you want, mate?
I don't like him. Why would you bring him in?
Dude, he wanted you to talk to him. He wanted to talk to you. So I just let him in.
And why the heck would you do that?
I don't know, mate.
What up, guys? What's the hubble bubble about? Bomber! Oh my god, thank God you kinda smart, so you know what to do.
What are you talking about? The frick are you talking about?
Look, okay, so my brother came over here today.
Oh, yeah, you talking about that red bird with the football helmet on?
Yes, that idiot.
Yeah, he's over there laying in your bed.
I know that. Well, my couch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that, but we need to get rid of him.
How do we do that?
Alright, how about you take him outside and you make him look like, how about, okay, Hal, you stay in here because you stupid.
Well, screw you too then, mate. I stand here.
Alright, so me and you, Bomber, me and you gonna take him outside for a view. Come on. Alright, this is some good behind cake. It's actually red velvet cake. Good behind cake. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Hey Redbird, I haven't eaten in weeks, so I haven't eaten in like few years, and you just said weeks. No, it's years, and I was wondering if I could have a piece of your cake. You never gonna have this is red velvet cake. This is my cake. Now back off. No, I want a piece of cake. No, give me a piece. No, I'm taking the whole thing then. No, you better back off. I don't want you taking my cake. Man, just go look on the balcony or something. Yeah, okay. Ooh. Wait, that could be an idea. Okay. If you go look on the balcony, I'll give you a piece. I'll think about saving you a piece. You'll do that for me, right? Yeah, I'll do that for you. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go look on the balcony. God, I hate that weirdo. I hate that guy. Right? Yeah, he's annoying. That's good. Alright, Ripper. You really got cake while we was trying to do our plan? Yeah, I got hungry, alright? Whatever. Okay, look, so what's the plan again? Bro, really? Alright, okay, he's on the balcony over there. So how about you walk up to him and you try to talk to him, but you actually explode him. And you be like, boom! Then he fly all the way back up to space. And he won't ever come back. No, just throw him off the cliff. Yeah, okay, instead of violent, I'm just gonna throw him off the cliff. Yeah, go do that. I'm eating my cake.
Oh, what a nice balcony.
This guy finna blow up. I'm finna blow him up. No effort. Hey, what up? Where?
Oh, hey, Mike. What you been doing there, Mike?
Just been walking around. Hey, you wanna know? I'm gonna tell you, wanna know a secret?
Yeah, I wanna know a secret. About what?
About Redbird.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the secret is you die.
What was that, man?
Come here. Don't ever come back because we hate you. God, I hate that bird. Hope he never comes back. God, dude's annoying. Redbird, I threw him off the cliff. That's good. Alright. Can I share your cake? Yeah, sure, you can have some, Bomber. Alright. This is what flavor this is? This is it's red velvet cake. Here, look. Get a piece. Yeah, I'm trying to pick it up. Is it good? Bomber, don't explode! Don't explode!